Question 6, part A. The diagram shows triangle ABC. Use the cosine rule to calculate BC. Okay, we have here AC is 8 meters and AB is 13 meters and the angle A is 79 degrees. Okay, cosine rule. Okay, CB. Okay, squared equals AC squared 8 squared, okay, plus 13 squared minus 2 times 8 times 13 times cosine this angle here between the two sides, or the opposite angle of the side CB, okay, or BC, cosine 79 is equal, we will calculate it here, 8 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 8 times 13 times cosine 79, this equals 193.311 and so on. So the CB equals square root of this value upside, okay, or up here, 31, okay, this equals, we can make square roots of answer 13.90, okay, or you can keep it 13.9, okay, 13.90, 3 and so on. Just try 13.9 to 3 significant figures, okay. This was part 1. In part 2, use the sine rule to calculate angle ACB. Angle ACB here, okay, ACB, this angle, okay, okay. We know the length of BC is 13.9, okay. Now the sine rule is the sine of the angle on the opposite side equals sine of the other angle divided by or over the opposite side, like that, okay. So we will use this angle here and this opposite side 13 and the angle 79 and its opposite side 13.9. so we can write here that sine C, okay, this angle ACB here, over the opposite side of angle C is 13, this equals sine 79 over the opposite side BC is 13.9. okay, now use a cross multiplication. You will find that sine C equals sine 79 over 13.9 times 13. So you can use the inverse sign to find the value or the measure of angle ACB equals inverse sine of, okay, 13 times sine 79, okay, over 13.9, okay, let's try to, okay, inverse sine of 13 times sine 79 over 13.9 and close the big brackets is 66.4 6. Okay, 6.645 and so on. Here to 3 significant figures, 63.6. In part B, the area of triangle DEF is 70 meter squared. Show that for x squared plus 11x minus 300 equals 0. Okay, we know that the area of any triangle equals half of the multiplication of two sides times sine of the obtained or subtended angle between the two sides. Okay, so we can write it like that, half times the first side is x plus 4 times the second side here is 4x minus 5 times sine of the angle 30. Okay, this equals the area 70. Okay, now we know the value of sine 30 is 1/2. Okay, so this is 1/2 and you have another 1/2 here, so you can multiply both sides by 4 to cancel out this sine 30 and this 1/2. So here x plus 4 times 4x minus 5 equals, we multiply by 4, we cancel out this sine 30, the value of 1/2, and this 1/2 also, and multiply this 70 by 4 is 280. Okay, now we will expand this to brackets. X times 4x is 4x squared, x times minus 5 is minus 5x, and 4 times 4x is 16x. 16x minus 5x is 11x plus 11x. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. This equals 280. Okay, move this 280 to the left hand side. So 4x squared plus 11x. This 280 will be here in negative value, so minus 20 minus 280 is minus 300 equals 0. This as required up here. Okay, in this part, use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, we know the formula of quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, and here we know the value of a is 4, b is 11, and c is negative 300. Okay, this will be equal, we will substitute. Minus b is minus 11. Okay, because b is 11 minus 11. Okay, plus or minus square root of b squared 11 squared minus 4 times a is 4 times c negative 300. Okay, over 2a, 2 times 4. Okay, and calculate this in your calculator. One time was plus and the other time was minus. Okay, so here negative 11 plus square root of 11 squared minus 4 times why I wrote this a here is 4. Okay, this is 4. Okay, 4 times 4 times negative 300. Okay, 300, okay, over 2 times 4 is equals 7.39. okay, this is the value. X equals 7.39, or X equals this plus, make it minus, okay, equals negative 10.14, negative 10.14, because 2 decimal places required. Okay, 7.3, and it's better to write the negative value first. Okay, negative 11, so it's negative 10, not 11. Okay, negative 11, negative 10, 10, 10. Okay, 0.14 and 7.39. In the last part here, find the length of DE. Okay, DE is up here in the triangle. D is x plus 4. Okay, x plus 4 here we have two values of x, a negative value and a positive value. So for sure we can't use this negative value because this is a length of sides and it can't be a negative value, so we will use this value here, 7.39. 7.39 plus 4 is 11.39, or we can round it to one decimal place, 11.4. okay,